Hello to you all. Today I'm gonna show you a bit how to draw lines in LibreCAD 2D drawing software. So if you open the program, you will see something like this. And then, yeah, how to start, guys? Now, the first thing you're gonna do is you make your settings, your preference settings. So what we're gonna do, you're gonna do options, and you're gonna say, okay, the current drawing preferences. Then yeah, you get the drawing preferences. That's simple. Okay, which kind of what paper do you want to later print it out on? You can say, okay, A4. I want to have the landscape or the portrait. If you click this open, you can also see A3, A1, depending a bit how big your drawing is. But let's keep it simple. A4, normal paper size. Units is decimal, and then yeah, in millimeters because I'm European. The grid, show grid. That's also good. The grid is the little dots you see with the that's the measurement of the grid. So X spacing, everything is auto. Leave it. Okay, this is the most important one. Also, the paper is important. This is also important. Now, general scale. That's the general drawing scale. You can leave it like this. You can later on always change it, but I will show you later on. And then the arrow size. This one you can also change. This one is important. This is a linear precision. Yeah, 4 zeros behind the dot is a bit much. Let's do 2. And then linear zeros like that. Leave it. The degrees I put always on 0. And that means that if I make later my drawing, my measurement lines with the measurement, then I got 2 numbers behind the dot. And the angular position is only the angle and not, you can put it if you want. If you want more precision, it's possible. So that's okay. So my paper sizes and my drawing lines are my sizes are correct. So if you see the grid, then it's simple. If you go from here to here and you put here to here, then you can see in the left corner here how the movement is. What's the position of the grid? So this position of the grid is exactly 10 mil. So every dot you see now is 10 mil. I can zoom it in. Then it's become smaller. This is from here to here. Every dot is 0.1. You see, it's quite. But let's do it like this. Let's go a step back. So what we gonna see? You did this one. The drawing preference is finished. You finish that one, and then you go to the right here. You can see my layer list. There can be more. I'll show you. There can be more widgets in dock widgets. So here you can select. You can say the block list. You can say what you gonna want. Here you can everything. You can modify. You see that's come here then. So you can select more widgets what you want. But let's keep it. The drawing lines are in the layer list. So the block list is if you want drawings with more drawings behind it. But that's something for a later day. For now, just a single drawing. Then you see here on the right that the layer list. You see the 0. That's standard. So the 0 is always the first line. That's automatically when you open the program, the 0 is here already present. So you can click it and you can click it open. Now I prefer to make the 0 my drawing lines. So the 0 in my opinion is the drawing line. So the black and white, I want to have a drawing line thickness of 0.5 and that the drawing line is a continuous line. And I said, okay. So if I put this to that one now the from here to here, then my drawing line is in this dimension, 0.5 thickness, continuous line, black and white. So let's make a little let's do it like this, from there to there to there. That, you see, now I draw a figure. I want a little hole in that thing. Put it like this. Let's do it like that. Perfect. So now I see. Okay, I want to have some center lines inside this object. So what you're gonna do now? You see, you're going back to your layer list here, and you see plus, minus, and this is a modify layer. Yeah. So I put the plus, and then you get, make it a little bit bigger for you, and then you get the layer settings. So I call that layer settings center. Then I say, okay, 0.05. The center line is always thinner than the drawing lines. And it's not a continuous line, it's a center line. So you see, this is the line type you can select here. Oh, now let's do center small. I said, okay. So, and if I select it now, you see, when you select it, then the letters becoming thicker. You see, if I select it, okay, then I select the center line. I said, okay, 2 points. I'm going from here to here. Look at that. I'm going from here to here. So now I have my center lines also. So now I want also, I make a drawing line. I'm going to select my drawing line, and I'm going to select here, from here. Let's take the half here, to there. So that's the right view of my object. But in the right view, I want to show also from, okay, I want to let the people show that the holes are completely true. So then you need another line type. So you do the plus, and you set how you call it here? How do they call it? Dash. And you call it dash. And then also thinner, and it's not. Yeah, let's do dash small. Okay, so that's my dash line. I'm gonna select it now. Going here, 2 points, and then I do it like this and that. Look at that. This to that. So that's a little block with a hole inside. Now let's do some measurement lines. So I need some measurement lines. The measurement lines are continuous lines, but also thin. So I do the plus again. I set measurement line, and I said, okay, 0.05, and I said continuous. So I'm going to select my measurement line, and now I'm going to here. The dimensions. This is the line type, lines, circles, freehand, ellipse, polylines, selection, and this is my measurement line. Okay, I want to do the measurement line, and I want to start with horizontal. Horizontal means that I can select the horizontal measurement lines. Now from here to here, 100 mil. Now that's nice, that looks good. Let's do another one also. You can also click right mouse, horizontal line, from here to here, put it on the right side. Okay, now I have my horizontal. I can do it here also, from here to here to here. I can do another one, horizontal, from here to here. Look at that. This I got everything already. So, how does that look? You can always, when you're busy, you can also do a print preview. Always do a print preview. Of course, you must change this a bit here. Let's do 2-on-1 here. Is that right? What I'm doing? No. It's 1-on-2. Yeah. So you can change that here. 1 on 2, like that. So look at that. You see? You can also 1.5 maybe is better. No, 1. Oh yeah, then you must do a comma. 1.5. Yeah, that's it. No, yeah, sometimes you must do a point and then 1.5 then. Yeah, that's it. Eh? So 1.5, that's a nice side. And if you print it out now, then you get it like this on paper. You see, this looks good. It's very simple, of course, very simple drawing, but it's correct. So this is the way to start with drawing lines in LibreCAD. I will show you one thing more. Just click this over. If you want to change one line, like that one, and I said, okay, then you go to Tools, you go to Modify, and you go into Properties, and then you can select that one, and you said, okay, but this property I want to have dash. And if you click it now, then yeah, that's a little bit strange because dash, and then you must click this one also by layer, continuous. You see, the strange thing is that I got a new version of LibreCAD now. In the old version, when you change this, then the line will change, but not now. Yeah, by layer, that's good. But then I must select it here. Also cancel. Wait, cancel. How I can select? Wait a moment. Edit properties. See, it's not correct. Oh wait, measurement line 0, yeah. And then edit properties. Oh yeah, edit properties. Yeah, then you must do it like this by layer. Yeah, now it changed. You see, in measurement line. Yeah, now it's a measurement line. Okay, so you must change it by layer. In the old version, you just changed the top, and then it was all right. So again, I must check it myself to be fair. Properties by layer dash. And I must change it also to dash then. Wait a moment. Yeah, okay. Then you can change the properties of the line. So guys, this is hopefully yeah, you can draw something on paper now, and then I will make some more short videos, not so long videos anymore, because I think shorter videos from one thing it's better than make very long videos. So this is drawing lines in LibreCAD, and thanks for watching, and hopefully see you all later.